I am Loki's mom. Welcome to the peaceful ocean, a place filled with warmth and security. Today, we will learn how to create a sense of security for our little ones, just like these adorable sea animals, helping them to sleep peacefully in a warm environment. Look at the clownfish. They've been playing all day and now feel sleepy. Establishing a regular routine for children, just like the clownfish, helps them know when it's time to rest. Providing a safe environment makes children feel comfortable, just like this little crab. A warm hug can help them relax. The dolphin leaps through the waves, enjoying its joyful moments. Encourage children to express their feelings, letting them know that all emotions are normal. Just as the octopus needs to rest after exploring, children also need space to explore and learn. Give them time to discover the world while teaching them when it's time to rest. Help children build a sense of security by assuring them that you will always be there, just like this little seahorse snuggling in the warm water. Let children know it's time to relax after play. Create a calm environment to help them wind down. Teach children how to relax. Appropriate guidance and relaxation techniques can help them sleep better. Emphasize the importance of rest, telling children that sufficient sleep is key to their growth. Now all the sea animals are peacefully sleeping, and children can close their eyes and dream sweet dreams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more heartwarming parenting tips.